So this is OBS, and OBS has got this interface. As you can see it, here is the preview and this is your live. On the preview side, I can see everything that I'm ready to send live. For instance, this is the camera you saw at the beginning of this video. And if I want to send it live, I'll just shoot it and then it goes live. But then this is what I want to share with you now, and which is what I'm working on. I'm just going to take this off and turn it off so we can achieve our goal. All right. The preview scene shows you everything you've set up to be transmitted, and the live scene shows you what you're sending live. And you can do that by using this transition. Here's how it works. Come here, and then you can cut or fade in. You can see that very smooth. That's what the fader is used for. All of this, it's all because of this. When you change this to cuts, then it cuts it and cuts it. And when it is fading, it fades it in, it fades it in. And you can adjust the fade timing. That's for this. If I change it to 1005 and I click on enter, when I say fade, it takes more time and then it's syncing. You like that? That's how it works. That's all for that up there. So if you've got all of this setup in, if you've got all of this setup fixed, then you're good to go. But then let's talk about the setup itself. At the bottom right hand side, you've got your scenes. In your scenes, you have collections of sources, from video source to audio sources. For instance, in this very scene, there's nothing there. So you say you don't have any sources. So click here to add. To add, you click on this and you begin to add. But for scene 2, I've got some sources, which is what I started with. I've got my video, my audio inputs, and then my screen, which is all you can see right here. My video, that's it, that's me. The software, that is capturing my entire screen. That's what it means. And my mic, that's why you can hear me. 3 scenes. And for the scene 3, which is typically what you've got there. So this is actually not visible yet. You can see that. So this is actually what I'm transmitting. At the moment, you're seeing scene 3. Scene 2, I started with, and scene 1 is blank. That is all about scene. So scene contains sources. Sources makes up scenes. And here is the audio mixer, tells you my sound level, the sound bar. As you can see, I can talk, and my voice. If I raise my voice, hello, louder, you can see that moving to that. And then when I'm not talking, it's quiet. Yes, that's how it works. And this is the fader. When you say fade in, when I click on transition, it fades because I've selected fader here. If I select cut here, it will cut. It will cut. So this is where you make all of those selections. And right on the right hand side is the control. Control takes your stream to live. If you want to start streaming live, you click on start streaming, and then you've got all of your setup, which I'm going to talk about in my next video. We'll talk about the recording, which is presently what I'm using to record. That is why it is blue highlighted. And we've got the start virtual camera, which is when you want to connect your phone to your OBS. Presently, I'm using my iPhone as a camera, and it is somewhere. Yeah. All right. And we've got your setting where you set up your stream, and also for your stream setup, you come here, you do a custom stream. You want to select Facebook Live. If it is Facebook Live, if it is YouTube, you can connect it even directly. But I'll talk about this more in my next video. So look out for it. This is general settings, stream settings, output setting, audio setting, video setting, your hotkeys, accessibility, and the advanced setting. All of these I'm going to take you through in my next video. So for now, we'll make it a pause here. But before we go, let me give you a bonus. This is the studio preview. If you don't want a studio preview, you can click on this and it gives you just single. But you want to have your preview on live, which is the best thing that you can do. So that's all about that in this particular video. I'll see you in my next video. If this is your first time watching this, I'm going to be putting more content. So you want to subscribe, like, and comment. If you've got questions, ask. If you want me to do anything or answer any questions based on what you've seen, please do well to ask the questions. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share with somebody that needs it. Cheers.